I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. Hi everyone! Just a quick video today showing you how I paint dogs' noses. This is obviously really great to know for painting pet portraits, particularly dogs, but the same technique can also be used for other animals with similar noses such as wolves, foxes and bears. So this is a half-finished dog portrait that I've been working on. I still need to finish painting the fur, but I thought I would shoot a quick video showing you how I paint the nose, as a few people have asked for this. I start out by painting the darkest sections first, using dark brown paint. The darker areas may vary depending on the dog you're painting, so make sure you follow your reference photo, but they are usually at the very bottom of the nose and the sides of the nose. I then used a slightly lighter shade of brown, which I mixed by adding a tiny bit of white into the dark brown, and I used this to fill in the sides and centre of the nose and also to paint the top edge. I then added a little more white to lighten the paint again and filled in the rest of the nose apart from where the highlight will be. To paint the highlight, I added more white to the brown mixture as well as some light blue. This creates a nice light colour that isn't too bright. I then filled in the highlight section with this paint and added some highlights underneath the nostrils. And then I blended the edges of the highlights into the brown paint so that it didn't look too harsh. To brighten the highlight, I added a little white paint onto the tip of the nose and dabbed my paintbrush to blend it in, as well as adding a bit of texture. I then painted the nostrils, starting with black paint for the darkest areas. Again, this will depend on your reference photo, but the darkest shadows will usually be at the top of the nostril and underneath the curved edge. To finish painting the nostrils, I added a little bit of white and blue paint to the black to lighten it slightly and painted in the rest of the nostril section. I then repeated this on the other nostril. I finished painting the dog's nose by adding in the finer details, like the line in the centre of the nose and some more speckles of highlights. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.